guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm gonna do like a pamper routine because I've been very stressed out for like the past whole junior year, and I've been studying for SATs and having all this work to do and like stressing over college and stuff. So I am going to do a pamper routine because I haven't done one in a very long time, and I also never filmed one. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my hair, my facial stuff, my shower stuff, like everything. Y'all gonna know everything about what I do. Alright? And like it's also like my nighttime routine in a way. I don't do these things every night, but like some of them I do. My hair looks gross. Alright guys, so then I'm going to start in the bathroom. Alright guys, so I'm starting off this routine with the Olaplex number 3 treatment. If you guys haven't seen my video on how I apply this to my hair in detail and my complete review on it, you can click the link that's going to show up on the top. So basically I'm just going to wet my hair. I'm not using that much because I don't have that much left. So I'm just wetting my hair, applying it all over, and then I'm going to brush it through with the Tangle Teezer brush that I have, the paddle brush. And it was a little harder because I didn't wet my hair that much, but I didn't feel like going in the shower, getting out, going in, getting out like 20,000 times. So I just did it in the sink and I just combed it through and then applied a little more of the Olaplex treatment. And then I'm now going to put it in a bun so that I can continue doing my pamper. It's so weird to say, but my pamper routine. So after I put my hair in the bun, I'm going to show you guys my shaving cream that I use. I'm obviously not going to record myself shaving my legs because like that's really weird. So I'm just going to show you the shaving cream that I use, and then after I shave my legs or whatever, I go in the bath and I use a bath bomb. I'm basically just wasting time so that the Olaplex treatment could stay in my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using the bath bomb, and you see that I'm playing with it because it didn't want to melt. Why? I don't know. But yeah, I was in the bath for like 30 minutes, and then I decided it was time to take out the Olaplex treatment. So I took out the scrunchie, and then I'm kind of dancing and, you know, going crazy because I was in a really good mood. Don't know why. So I'm basically now just taking out the Olaplex treatment, and I'm just going to do a regular routine. If you want to see a specific routine, you can go through my videos and see which one you want to see. But I'm just doing a regular one for right now. I'm using the Sheamoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo, as I always do. And as you guys can see throughout the video, I'm going to be singing a lot because I sing in the shower. And especially because I was in a good mood, I was singing like to every song that came on, even the ones that I usually don't listen to. So after I'm using the Not Your Mother's Naturals Curl Talk Conditioner. I haven't done a review for this on my channel yet, but I'm planning on it because I bought their whole line when I went to Florida. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing the review soon. And as you see, I'm singing again, and I'm just I tried something different this time. Since I had the Olaplex treatment in my hair, I didn't part my hair when I applied the conditioner and when I combed my hair through, because I felt like the Olaplex treatment really helped to untangle it, so it wasn't really knotted. So I just combed it towards the back and didn't have to what is it called? Separate the hair. I don't know why I forgot what that was called, but yeah, I didn't have to separate the hair in order for me to comb out the knots. So now I'm just taking out the conditioner and I'm singing a song. I think it was Mia. I don't know. But now I'm starting to put in the Briogeo Do Not Despair Deep Conditioner. If you guys saw the review on my Instagram when I first got it, I kind of wasn't really impressed by it, but I think my hair was just a mess at the time because, you know, it was winter. If you guys know my hair, you know it's a mess in the winter if you've been following for a while. So I didn't like it, but turns out it's really good. So I now use it with almost all of my washes, unless like I'm doing a review and I need to use a different deep conditioner. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that in my hair, and I left it in for like as long as it took me to be in the shower, like to wash my body and stuff. I don't know why I'm still not washing my body yet, or have the cap on. I'm just here singing, going crazy. So yeah, I put the cap on, and then I had to like take off all the hair that was on my body before, you know, I washed my body. But for the soap, I use the Dove Original. It's so good. It feels so nice. So yeah, you know, apply soap onto the body as normal people would do. And then after I applied the soap, I start singing again. Wow, I sing a lot. So now I'm just going to take out the deep conditioner after I look at how good my curls are looking, because they are looking nice and juicy. I guess I really like this song because I keep on singing. So now I'm just taking out the deep conditioner, and then after that I am going to, why am I still in the shower? Oh, I'm gonna part my hair because when I style it, I part it to the side so that the left side, it's your right but my left, it stays more flat, so that the other side can have way more volume. So I'm gonna be using the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Gel, and this is gonna be the only product that I'm using because I want my hair to have volume. So I'm only gonna be using one product, and it's gonna be this one because tomorrow and for like the next couple days, it's supposed to rain, and I do not need my hair getting frizzy. So I'm making sure to apply a lot throughout my head so that even though I don't want it to be crunchy or anything, it still stays from the humidity that's outside. So as you guys can see, my curls are looking nice and juicy and they look amazing. I don't know, I think it's the weather, but like recently my curls have been looking very good. They're not lasting as long as they usually do, but they're looking better. Like the first couple days that they are, like, you know, bouncy and shiny or whatever, they're looking really good. So yeah, so now I'm gonna just put the Coco lotion from Victoria's Secret that I got for Christmas. So basically when I get out of the shower, I put that all over my body so my body is moisturized and I'm not ashy. So basically all in the video you see is me putting it on my arms, my neck, but I put it on my legs too, but there was no point in showing that because my legs are all the way under the camera. So yeah, and I put it on my neck and I'm singing, so. So then now I'm really impressed with this video, guys, because I've never filmed like through a mirror. I'm gonna be using the Detox Time with Charcoal face mask that is from Victoria's Secret, pink, and it says to smooth a thin layer to freshly wash skin, avoiding eyes and lips, leave on for 10 minutes, bliss out, rinse, pat dry, mask up to 3 times a week. And it says purifying clay mask and body mask. Clean skin is in, clay and activated charcoal, deep clean for skin that feels softer, cleaner, and totally pure. And then after, I'm going to use the Treat Hut exfoliating sugar scrub, that you guys saw in my skin and hair routine. So if you guys want a closer look on that product, you can just click the links from the top. So now I'm just gonna take off all of everything that is on my face with warm water. And as you guys see, I'm not gonna make a fake show that I know what I'm doing when I'm taking it off. No, my eyes are closed, I cannot see, and it burns. So as you guys can see through my face, I keep having to go up and down to see in the mirror, see if I have it all off or not, because it feels like I do, but I don't. So now I'm just gonna take the rest of it off, and just to make sure that everything's off. So now I'm going in to do my eyebrows. So I use this little brush, the eyebrow brush, and I go in with the scissors and I just cut them. I refuse to tweeze my own eyebrows because they will look a mess if I do. I barely cut them, but I've decided that I'm not going to do my eyebrows until prom because in my school juniors have prom. So I decided that I'm not going to do my eyebrows until then. So I'm going to have to do something to them so that they stay maintained for another month. Because I need them to be full and nice. So after, I just pat my face dry with a towel, and then I'm going to be going in with ice freezing cold water so that my pores can close, and then I just pat it dry again. I'm making sure I'm not rubbing it just so that I don't irritate the skin, and I'll make sure that I comb my eyebrows as well so that my eyebrows look nice. So now I'm going to go in with the Badescu Rose Water. As you guys can see, I spray a lot onto my face. That's just because I don't feel like it's on my face. As you guys can see, it is. But personally, me, I do not feel it when I put it on. So yeah, I'm just going to like air dry with my hands. And then right after, I'm going to be going to read. Wow. So I'm reading after. I've read this like 1,000 times. I read it when it first came out on Wattpad. It's by Anna Todd. Amazing book, favorite series, everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna read until my hair is dry, and I'm gonna edit this video until my hair is dry and I'm done. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I post.